Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make piano house in the style of MK. In particular, we're going to remake his track One Night that he made together with Sonny Fodera and Raphaella. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestion for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Alright, so now let's add some claps. Let's see how they sound. Now we're adding another layer. We're also adding this volume automation in order to avoid spikes in volume when both kick and clap it together. This is how it sounds with and together this automation. Alright guys, so then we're moving to open hats. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but we need to add more layers. Now we're just adding the last layer of open hats, which is just going to reinforce the upper hand of the hat. Cool guys, so now we're moving to shakers. So let's see how they sound alone. We have this mode loop, which is made of 3 layers. Let's hear them one by one. We have just a simple shaker, another shaker, and just a simple tambourine shot. Then we're adding some closed heads, so let's see how they sound. Just some basic 909 closed heads. Now we're adding more shakers, in particular we're adding just a simple shaker loop. Alright guys, so now we're adding the very last 2 layers when it comes to the drums, which are fills. So let's see how they sound alone. We have the first one, which is just a very simple snare fill. And then the second one, which is just a very simple snare roll. Cool guys, so now we can hear the drums all together. So let's see how they sound. Alright guys, so now we can finally move to the main elements, starting from the bass. So let's see how it sounds. Very cool, groovy and punchy, but now let's listen to it alone. This bass line is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. We have this first upper layer, and then we have just a basic sub. Alright, so now we're moving to the other main element, which is obviously the piano. So let's hear it alone. This piano is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. The first layer is just a classic piano 16 from the legendary Korg M1. The second layer instead is a piano which I found inside of FL Studio's Flex. Now we're adding 2 more piano layers to enhance the hits, the transients of the piano. So let's hear them alone. We have just a basic white noise and just a random percussion sound, which helps a lot widening up the piano and also adding some more transients. Now let's make an A and B test with and without these 2 new layers. Cool guys, so now we're adding a pluck sound. Let's see how it sounds alone. This very basic sound helps a lot adding some groove and fullness to the drop. As always guys, we're finishing off the project just with some simple effects and ambiances, so let's see how they sound all together. We have a total of 4 layers, so let's hear them one by one. We're starting off with a simple white noise downsweep. Then we have a classic 909 crash. Some basic crowd noise. And some basic white noise. Alright guys, so now as always for the final step, let's just slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this video. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final results.